Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to enter another giveaway. Another one of our lock sporters has reached a pretty cool milestone. And this one is PH Picker, 100 subscribers. Big congratulations, mate. That is a fun milestone to reach. So PH Pickers set up a giveaway, hashtag it PH100 for the videos. Now what they want us to do is to pick a lock, any lock. So we have this Gainsborough. Scored this from the salvage yard, so we don't know what's inside or why it ended up in the salvage yard, but it's one of those cool things where the kick's in there and it's a cylinder holder. It's got a name. I don't know what it is. If you know what the name of this sort of lock application is, leave it in the description below and I shall pin it. Alright, let's get started. Yep, that's not going to do it. That might do it. Okay, so we will go top of the keyway. We might just see if the pins work first. Yep, cool. Now PH Picker's got two giveaways running. One for pickers, general pickers, and the other one is for beginners. So if you are a beginner picker, you can enter this giveaway as well. Nice click somewhere there. So I will leave a link to the description, a link in the description to PH Pickers giveaway videos, so you can find them easily. And you won't hear the dogs playing today because it's 5 AM and they are dead asleep. This is the cat hour when they wake up and say, yep, I should have hunted, so you need to feed me now because I'm hungry. Being domesticated cats, they don't get to hunt, but their natural body's rhythm says, yep, I need food, I need to go back into a food coma. I have picked this one before as part of 80 in 80 locks in 80 days that I'm doing with Down on a Monkey and Keyless Entry. So I know it opens. We're in the lock prom. This is the portable lock lab. That's me just sliding up warding. Feels really springy. And we have the open. Very nice. Okay. Let's see what's inside this, because I'm curious. My frog's jumping in excitement. Right. Listen to that. I don't know if the lock was guttable, you needed to gut it, but I'm curious to see what's inside this Gainsborough. Just got it from the salvage yard, so never get to use this. Okay. Let's try not to lock it back up. Probes. Little pin. Drop the little spring out. We shim it because it's an unknown entity. That's really tight, like super tight. It could be just because of crud or just because the tolerances are really good, but you know, it's Gainsborough, so I wouldn't be holding my breath for that bit. There we go, it's in. Whoa. Okay. Not construction bidding like the other one I did, but does have those construction holes, but not as massive as the other one. No ball bearings in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pinner, all populated. Okay, let's drop them out. Whoa, something just fell out. Hang on. That is a master wafer. So, we'll call that one. It's another master wafer. Another one. Okay, so this is master wafered for construction bidding. So when the contractors come, they've got one key, and then when the owner takes over, that construction bidding is no longer in effect. Oops. So PHP, if you want me to do another lock for your giveaway without this master wafering, I'll go for it. Yep, I'll do it, mate. I'll go home, find myself some more locks and bring them back. That's no worries. Just let me know in the comments that it's a valid entry. If it's not valid, just say not valid, and I'll go again. Yep, there's there's a master wafer again on 2, so they must all be master wafer. It's a big master wafer there. Okay. Nothing done to the core, let's dump the springs. Okay. Alright, so that's what you'll find in a Gainsborough lock. So if you've got these locks on your doors, they are master wafered, which means they technically are a lot easier for someone to pick the lock open, because there's 2 different shear lines they can go for. So like 2 chances to get it open with that master wafering. But anyway, PH Picker, big congratulations, mate. Happy 100. Everyone, stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.